Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are in Lugano, beautiful Lugano in the Italian part of Switzerland. We are going to be here for a few days and we are going to show you everything there is to do in the city, around the mountains, the lakes. It's just amazing and beautiful. So let's go and explore. So Lugano is on the shore of Lake Lugano, which is right next to Lake Como, and it is for us just an amazing place if you want that kind of vibe without all the crowds that you have in Lake Como. And you have a lot of stuff to do around here. You can come for a day trip from Zurich or Lucerne, but you can also stay like we are doing for a few days. So let's go explore Lugano.
Okay, so here's the deal. The train station's right behind me. The Lugano train station is up pretty high, so you can walk down to the city, or you can go get the funicular, which is a franc 30. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. We're going to go into the train station right behind me, get the funicular, and I'll show you the train station first, and then we'll go explore Lugano. Let's go. So you're following Città for the city. So you're looking for that funicular sign. It's my first time too, so I'll show you guys how easy this is. Whoop, and it is right here. And when you get off, now you're in the city more. So it takes you down. It takes 2 minutes, the ride, but it saves you walking down a very, very steep hill. And now you are in Lugano.
Boutiques here. We have Gucci here, Hermes, Cartier. Beautiful setting also. And we are arriving at the Piazza della Riforma. And this is the Piazza della Riforma. Beautiful. This. Wow. Alright, nice little lunch at the Piazza della Riforma. Milano risotto, some salad, and of course Aperol Spritz. I mean, views like this on Lugano are just so beautiful. Ah, I love it. So we rented a Pedalo for 30 minutes. It's only 10 francs, which is super cheap for Switzerland, I find, and they are really cool and yeah, kind of vintage. Loving this and loving the views of all these amazing mountains around the lake.
So for our trip to Lugano, we're staying in the 5-star Superior Grand Hotel Villa Castagnola, and just from the approach you can already tell it's going to be impeccable. This hotel has absolutely beautiful grounds the second you walk in. The architecture, the design, everything is so amazing, and the rooms themselves are so beautiful. But of course, I think what we're all here for and why we're in Lugano is the incredible views. Our room had not one but 2 balconies, and the view from our balconies on Lake Lugano was so beautiful. It made us so excited to just get out there and explore.
So we have arrived at the Grand Hotel Castagnola. This is an amazing place in Lugano. Look at that view also on the lake on Monte San Salvatore. And we are right next to the Monte Brè, which is here basically. So we're gonna take a funicular, but first I'm going to go to the Lido of the hotel. They have a private beach basically, and going to explore. I'm going to cross the street and go to the Lido and to the lake. It's early September, we'll see if it's hot or not, but I'm going to try. So just across the street. There we go. So mid-September, I don't even feel anything cold. Just happiness. We're going to go across the street to the Monte Brè funicular, and then we're going to go explore Lugano.
Hotel is right here. And literally, I don't know, maybe 50 meters is the entrance to the Monte Brè funicular we're gonna take. So we're walking there now and we will show you the funicular.
And this is the second part of the funicular. The best view is from the restaurant there, or just below. It's just amazing. Look at this amazing view on Lake Lugano. Let's get our funicular down to Casarate, next to the hotel Villa Castagnola. So we're going to have dinner at Grotto Morchino. I'm very excited. The Grotto is typical from Ticino. This is typically outside, a little bit outside of the city also. They do some grilling in there and it's really typical. You always have these grottos, so very happy to make you discover one in here. Grotto Morchino, let's go. All right, and this is the Grotto. Was the outside part here. It smells amazing. It smells like barbecue. Wow, grazie. Good morning from beautiful Lugano with the lake behind us. We are going to see a lot of different things today. We're going to go to a beautiful village called Gandria and then another one called Morcote, take boats and more, so stay tuned and let's get into it. So today I'm going to take a boat nearby to Gandria, which is just a little bit further down the lake, and going to walk back. It's a beautiful walk and yeah, we're going to take also a nice boat. So this is the stop of the hotel, Casarate. Going to take a boat to Gandria. And this is the hotel now. Woo, there we go. There it is, Gandria. Amazing actually. Right, and when you arrive, you can see 50 minutes to Castagnola or Casarate also. And this is not really stroller friendly, but it adds to the charm. So I walked up in the village of Gandria for a beautiful view, and you can see all these olive trees, and this is what I'm going to embark on right now. This is the olive tree path, as you can see here, and you have already some beautiful specimens here. I mean, don't tell me that it's not looking like Lake Como. You have, except the crowd level, it looks like the sort of gardens and park next to Bellagio, but I wouldn't be able to walk that fast, at least, in that park, and nobody here. We are probably like 45 minutes away by car to Lake Como, but nobody here, and look at that view. Oh, look at that palazzo. Alright, I'm back at the hotel. That was really nice. You had to go a little bit up and then down, but amazing views all along the way. I'm back at the Hotel Villa Castagnola, and we're going to explore a little bit Lugano more. So to go to the Monte San Salvatore, you can take a boat like this one actually. You can also walk along the lake and that promenade, which is just so beautiful that definitely I think you're not wrong in doing this. It's going to be sort of 10-15 minutes and then you arrive there, right next to Paradiso, which is the train station, and you'll take the funicular. Let's get there. So we're going to take this funicular. It leaves every half hour to the Monte San Salvatore. So exciting. So at the top, the view is just amazing everywhere. And here we are. This is Gandria there, Lugano of course over there. This is Italy over there. A little sort of bit of Italy, Bisone. And over there is Morcote. And you can actually hike from here, sort of over there to Morcote. And so from the top you can actually hike to a lot of places. There is a hike that is definitely intermediary hikers to go to Morcote, which can be really nice. It's going to take 3 hours, or like 2 hours and 45 minutes kind of to the top of the village in Morcote. So if you are craving some hiking, you're going to have some amazing views along the way on the lakes and mountains. If not, just go down, take a bus or a boat to Morcote, because it's gonna be sort of like this. Definitely not an easy trail to go to Morcote from here, but a nice one.
So after enjoying our time in the pool and spa, we headed to dinner. It was just outside of Lugano, but feels really, really remote. It is a wonderful little spot that had a seasonally rotating menu, and it was so delicious.
Going to Morcote.
We are inside the boat right now. It was pretty crowded outside and my daughter is just having a snack right there. So we're sitting inside, and this boat actually goes to all the way to Italy if you want. So you'll see both the Italian and Swiss flags on it, but we're just going to go to Morcote from Lugano. It takes about 50 minutes. And Morcote, if you don't know, is sometimes called the most beautiful village in Switzerland, and it is very, very pretty. So we'll show you that now. So let's stay tuned, enjoy the boat, and I will see you in Morcote. So we got off the boat and literally, I don't know, 100 feet away, we're going to Ristorante della Torre.
Alright, exploring Morcote. You have a Grand Tour of Switzerland, Morcote sign here. So we are going to walk towards the Scherer Botanic Garden. There's a little bit further there. With always a nice view and a beautiful waterfront.
Okay, so I am at the Scherer Park, which are the botanical gardens-esque that are in Morcote that they're very well known for. They are actually free entry, which is unusual in Switzerland, but there are a lot of steps. I don't know if you can see behind me. So I'm alone, Louis is with the two girls, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me in the Scherer Park and show you what it's all about. Already a beautiful lake view. Let's head up and see what we can find. So Scherer was a textile merchant, I believe, from St. Gallen. So was the patron of this, which is nice. Thank you for your service. And we're gonna check out the gardens. Again, lots of steps.
All right, now the important stuff in Morcote. This is stairs. It's going up basically all the way up and further. So let's go do some cardio. The nice thing with stairs is that you get some nice views, even better views. So let's go up. We're going to go up to the church, and then there is a swing also. These are stunning. Doesn't get better than this.
So if you see these tiny little figurines behind me, we are in Swiss Miniatur, which is basically this open air museum of all miniature little landmarks across Switzerland. It's so fun. There's little rides, there's trains, there's all kinds of things. And me and Louie are having fun kind of seeing which of the places we've already visited. So we're walking around. This is great with kids, but I actually see a lot of adults here without kids just because it's something so unique and so cute. So let's go walk around and see what places we've already seen in Switzerland.
And you have the Jungfraujoch, the Männlichen was the gondola there, the Schildhorn, all of this in the Berner Oberland. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you will consider coming to Lugano and Ticino. But this is it for us. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.